nobody thought we'd last forever. I feel them hoping and praying things between us don't get better. Girls steady coming after you, men steady coming after me. Seems like everybody wanna go for self and don't wanna respect boundaries. Telling you all those lies just to get on your side, but I must admit there was a couple secrets I held inside.